Hello friends, I am Dr. Sanjeev Gulati and we have today with us Avantika Awasthi. Her fight with kidney diseases over the last 27 years is a really inspiring story, an inspiring journey for all of us. So I will now hand over to Avantika to share her story.
Hello everyone. So as sir has already introduced me, so my fight with kidney disease starts at the age of 9. So at that time, earlier I was diagnosed with hypertension when I was 9 years old. So then we were looking for treatment everywhere. So that time my parents tried every alternative medicine for hypertension, because at this age when the child is so small, people don't expect that thing to happen. But nothing really worked out. I belong to Lucknow, that is my hometown. So then we went to SGPGI Lucknow for my treatment, and there we met a few doctors who had advised that because I have hypertension and the cause of hypertension was reflux nephropathy, which at that time did not have any surgical treatment probably. So they said that you have to be on antihypertensive medicines for your life till the time your kidney function is fine. But things did not go as planned. The hypertension was not very well controlled, and within next 5 to 6 years I had complete renal failure. And that's when we met Dr. Sanjeev Gulati at SGPGI Lucknow. So he being a pediatric nephrologist, so people had suggested to go meet him. And then when we met sir, so he had advised at that time for a preemptive transplant, which obviously was not taken very well by my family as well as a lot of people around me, mainly because of two major factors, one of them being obviously a financial issue, and then second one being the longevity of the transplant, having what kind of a life one would have after making such a huge expenditure and all of those things. But sir was very kind and very supportive. He really guided us through the whole process. And for the financial issues also, like my father had discussed with sir, so he at that time had helped out a lot through my school. So sir approached my school and they had raised crowdfunding, and that's how we managed the funding part at that time.
Yeah, so Avantika actually made New Year cards, and the school was very kind enough to circulate these cards in the city of Lucknow, and the entire city rose to the occasion, and within no times we had funds coming into the SGPGI account. So the funding issue was solved. Mother was a donor, which was a blood group match. We were lucky and we were all set to go until then. What happened?
Then I was on dialysis for almost 6 months. So by the time we were actually planning for a transplant, my body had not taken dialysis really well. So I was also diagnosed with TB. Then for another 2 months, my transplant got delayed. And then finally it happened in February 2003. And from then onwards, there has been no looking back. I've had by God's grace, a very smooth life. Minor hiccups are there as a part and parcel of a life of a transplant patient, but that is, I would personally not count them in as some hiccups personally. So it's been a smooth sail. I did my schooling, I did my engineering, I did my masters.
And she was, during her undergraduation, she was the Miss Fresher of her college. Yes. And she did her masters from IIT, and then
after that I have been working, and then at present I am working at IIT Indore as a civil engineer. I am a civil engineer by profession. I also got married, and my family is also very supportive in that case. And then after that, almost after I think 19 years, it was more than 19 years, that is when we kind of had some again like these renal issues. That was a graft.
So it's a chronic graft dysfunction. The kidney has its own half-life, and that's when we advised her for a second transplant. So what happened then?
So because of my past experience of the first transplant, I was very positive that I at any cost I have to go in for a transplant. I don't want to land up on dialysis. I remember I came to sir, I met him and I said ki bas by somehow I just don't want to go in for a dialysis. I mean, we just plan it and we just do it. But then again there are certain medical complications, but due to which things got delayed, but ultimately within 6 months, within 6 months it was done.
Who was the donor?
This time the donor is my husband.
So
And
very supportive and very encouraging that the husband came forward.
Yes.
And today you are how many years post transplant?
Post second transplant time 1.5 years.
1.5 years.
So in totality it would be 21.5, probably
Wonderful.
22 years getting to that.
So you see how Avantika's journey has been with kidney disease over these 27 years. A story of grit and determination, and where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you.